In this video, we're going to take a look at this Audio-Technica AT875R short shotgun microphone. And this is a fantastic value shotgun microphone that's great for musicians, audio engineers, sound recorders, and just your general videographers. It's so compact and it works great for recording music, voiceover, and any other sound that you need to record. Now, normally I wouldn't have it in the frame like this. I got it to use out of frame, boomed, or as an on-camera microphone for my Sony XLR handle, using that with my Sony a7 IV. But I just wanted to show how good this microphone can sound with the proper placement when going straight into a camera or audio recorder. I got this microphone because it's very affordable at only $170, and it's also one of the shortest shotgun microphones that you can find. So it fits great on a small mirrorless camera like the Sony a7 IV, a7S III, or the FX3 or FX30. If you're interested in checking out one of the AT875Rs, I have links for this mic and all the other gear used in this video in the description below. The microphone includes a pouch, a mic clip, a thread adapter, a windscreen, and 2 rubber rings to use for isolation on a microphone mount on a camera. I don't really like these though, so I bought my own thicker rubber spacers that hold it a little bit better on my Sony handle. I also got a short XLR cable to keep it tucked out of the way when I'm using it on this rig. The AT875R does require fan and power to use, so make sure your audio recorder or your soundboard or your camera supports fan and power delivery. Otherwise, this mic just won't work. This is a shotgun microphone, but I find that it does get a little bit more audio from the sides than normal shotgun microphones do. So keep that in mind, but it does reject sound from the back really well. Let's test this now. Here's a test of the audio facing directly towards the microphone. And now here's a test of the audio from the side of the microphone. And now here's a test of the sound from the back of the microphone. Here's a test of the microphone about 3 feet away from me, just so you can hear how it sounds a little bit farther away from the talent. Here's a test of the microphone up close, so you hear how good this mic sounds when you get it nice and close to your subject. Here's a test of the microphone with the windscreen on. Here's a test of the microphone with the windscreen off. Now let's test the microphone out with an acoustic guitar, both finger picking and strumming. So as you can hear, this microphone sounds really great, especially for the price. I would highly recommend picking one up and adding it to your kit, even if it's just for use as a backup microphone to more expensive microphones. If you're interested in picking one up, I have links for this microphone and all the other gear I used to make this video in the description below. So check that out. It really helps support the channel. Also, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. And if you have any questions about this microphone, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them.